Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to my channel Grammar's Word. Firstly, I will discuss future tense shortly. Then I will discuss future perfect tense in detail. The future tense includes any action that is scheduled to occur in the future. Future tense, like any other tense, can be identified by the verb form and auxiliaries utilized. One fact that you should keep in mind is that a simple future tense action starts and finishes in the future itself. Types of future tense. There are four types of future tense: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Let's start our main topic, future perfect tense. While we make use of the future perfect tense in only a few situations, it is important to know about it. This will help students in recognizing and using the other form of tenses also in a correct manner. In fact, the future perfect tense is quite easy. Similarly, understanding it and using it won't be too difficult either. The future perfect speaks about the past in the future. Through this video, students will learn about this tense in detail. It will make their understanding of it easier so they can use it correctly whenever required. The future perfect tense indicates actions that are complete or finished. These actions have not yet occurred but will occur and be finished in the future. Definition of future perfect tense. The future perfect tense refers to a verb tense which we use for actions that will be finished before some other point in the future. Moreover, it has two different forms which are will have done and be going to have done. The future tense includes any action that is scheduled to occur in the future. Future tense, like any other tense, can be identified by the verb form and auxiliaries utilized. Now I will discuss the form of verb in future perfect tense. This tense is formed with will plus have plus the past participle of the verb, which can be either regular or irregular in form. For example, I will have spent all money by this time next year. In this example, spent is third form of verb. Now I will discuss the helping verb. The traditional rule is that shall is used with first person pronoun I, we to form the future tense, while will is used with second and third person forms he, she, it, they, you. For example, they will not have enough food. यानी he, she, it, they, you के साथ will have यूज़ किया जाएगा और जबकि I, we के साथ shall have. Now I will discuss the formulas of future perfect tense. Positive formula. The formula for the future perfect tense is pretty simple. Subject, will have and shall have, past participle and then object. It does not matter if the subject of your sentence is singular or plural, the formula does not change. Now I will discuss the examples of positive formula. I will have finished this book. You will have studied the English tenses. She will have cooked dinner. He will have arrived. We will have met Julie. It will have stopped raining. They will have left Karachi. Negative formula. The future perfect tense may also be used in the negative form to indicate a continuous action will not be happening in the future. The formula will read subject, will not have, shall not have, third form and ending in ed or irregular form. These are the examples of negative formula. I shall not have studied hard for my exam. You will not have gone to work. Hamza will not have watched a movie. Boys will not have swum. These are the examples of negative formula. Now I will discuss the interrogative formula. The structure of the future perfect tense interrogative is we use the future perfect in interrogative form to ask for situation that occurred in future. Rules of forming interrogative sentences in future perfect tense is simple. The subject is wedged between will and have and the past participle form of the verb is used. For example, will he help his friend? Will she have gone to America? Will they have participated in the competition? Shall we have cooked some food? These are the examples of interrogative form. Thanks for watching my full video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Like, comment and share. Thank you.